Cambridge Elevating's residential product line is comprised of 3 different models. Each model consists of different features that provide solutions for our customers' varying needs. The Cambrian model boasts the ultimate form of luxury, using fully automatic sliding doors on both the cab and landing. The Heritage model offers a fully automatic sliding door on the cab, while the Elmira model features an automatic or manual accordion gate. Both the Heritage and Elmira models are paired with swing doors on the landings. A wide selection of finish and style options are available on all 3 of our residential elevator models. Cab sizes and finishes, fixture finishes, handrails, hall call stations, and more. Whatever your vision, our team will work with you to bring your design to reality. All of our products are supported by our 3-year limited warranty for ultimate peace of mind. Our reliable drive system is comprised of a 2-to-1 roped hydraulic system with a dependable hydraulic power unit. Weight capacities range from 950 pounds on our Elmira and up to 1,500 pounds on the Heritage and Cambrian models. The car runs on a rail system using elastomeric cushioned roller wheels that provide a superior, quiet, and comfortable ride. The elevator's control unit can also include a systems diagnostics feature to communicate with the factory to preemptively alert our technical support team of a system event that may require attention.